Within Business Central, you can settle tax through your tax statement. Now, depending on the region that you're in, it depends on what we call this. So, for example, in Australia, we call this a GST statement. And if you are in Europe, it would be a VAT statement. Now, language files are translating this, and it's very heavily determined based on your settings, your region, and language. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to take a look at settling the tax that's outstanding within this company. Now, in the chart of accounts, I can see here that tax is not called VAT, it's called GST. I can see an amount that's been collected. Now, this company is Kronos, and it originally is set up originating out of Europe. And so there's a bunch of different taxes that have already been accumulated. So I've got $99,000 here in tax that's been effectively collected. We've got no tax payable right now. And we're going to go take a look at the tax statement and see the impact to the chart of accounts. Let's go. We're going to search GST statement or VAT statement. From here, we're going to select a template. I'm going to use the GST. This gives me a setup template that has already been pre-configured by my consultant. I can preview this, and in previewing it, it's going to give me some totals, and it's going to summarize what's going on and where this tax has been collected on which transactions. So if I click on it, I can see here all of those transactions that have come through the system. All right, so once I'm happy with my preview, I'm happy with what we believe my payment is going to be, I can actually calculate and post GST settlement. Calculate and post the GST. I'm going to calculate and post this from the 1st of January 2020 to the 31st of the 12th 2021, and I'm going to post this on the 31st 12th 2021. All right, and it's posting to the tax payable account. Let's see what that looks like. Send to PDF. Do I wish to calculate and post GST settlement? Yes. This has provided me now a report, which is printed. I can now see the impact, the GST transactions, which have calculated the end result, a $74,000 payment. If I go to my chart of accounts now, refresh, I have a tax payable of $74,000. And that is how we settle our VAT within the ERP system. So a payment right now will be paid from this account to the tax office, which will reduce this back down to 0.